One of the best things you can do for your case during your deposition testimony as a plaintiff in an employment case, wrongful termination case, personal injury case, or any other civil case is being nice. The importance of being nice during your testimony cannot be overstated, because when you're being nice, you will benefit in at least 3 ways. First, when you're being friendly, when you don't get angry no matter what you're being asked, when you don't get confrontational with the other side who is asking you questions, when you don't come across as someone who exaggerates his injuries or who is being self-righteous, you're sending a very strong message to the other side. You're basically telling them that whoever is going to decide your case, whether it's the judge or the jury, is going to like you. And every lawyer knows that the jury is more generous to the people they like, all things equal. It's much harder to award money to someone that you simply don't like, regardless of what happened to the person who is on the stand. So, if you're being nice during your deposition, that lawyer who is asking you questions is going to go back to their client, whether it's an employer, a corporate entity, or an insurance carrier, and he's going to tell them, look, this case has problems for both sides. It's hard for me to tell you how this case is going to come out. But I can tell you one thing. The plaintiff that I was deposing today, that I was asking questions, is a very sweet, very nice, and very likable person. So if it gets to the jury is likely to like that plaintiff and award him a bunch of money. What does this mean to you? This means that that lawyer is going to recommend a higher settlement and sooner, just because you come across as a kinder and nicer person. Of course, that's not always the case, but when you're being nice during your deposition, when you're being somewhat mellow and stoic, and when you don't get angry, the chances of reaching a settlement sooner and the chances of reaching a better settlement for you are definitely higher. The second benefit of being nice during your deposition testimony is that you're sending another message. You're basically saying to the other side, look, this process does not stress me out. It doesn't bother me. No matter what you will ask me, I can handle it. I'm not going to get angry. I'm not going to lose it. And I can follow through and I can see this case through the trial. The more likely you are to come across that way, the less likely the other side will want to actually go all the way through trial, and the more likely they are to want to settle with you. And the last benefit, the third benefit of coming across as a nice witness during your deposition is that when you're nice, you're much more likely to be more believable.